Hello, welcome to Mr. A's Maths Today. Here is today's question. It's on bounds, rounding to a specified value. When you're ready, pause the video, give it a go. So as you can see, this is a foundation and a higher question. It's only worth 1 mark. It's a really quick one today. Dave records the distance he drives to work, which was 15 kilometres, to the nearest 5 kilometres. It's bounds question. It's already been rounded. It's been rounded to this. We're interested in what it was before. If you're unsure, take a look at yesterday's question. What is the upper bound of the distance he travels? So I'm going to use the method I used yesterday. 15 is what it's been rounded to. It's been rounded to the nearest 5. I'm going to round it up to the next 5. I'm going to round it down to the next 5 below. And I'm going to use this little chart to help me. My lower bound is halfway between the 10 and the 15. 12.5 is my lower bound. To the nearest 5, this would round to 15. Anything greater than this between here and halfway there will round to 15. Halfway between 15 and 20 is 17.5. Any value less than this will also round to 15 to the nearest 5. So this is my lower bound and this is my upper bound. It's actually anything less than 17.5, so 17.49999, 17.49 recurrent will round down to 15. But my upper bound, the boundary we never reach, but this is what we call the upper bound, is 17.5. The distance he travels, it's in kilometres. And one more question, a very quick, very easy question. I quite like this method, rounding up and down by the value you're given and finding what's in the half. If the question had been a bit more complicated and it just said what was the error interval, I would have had to say my distance was greater than or equal to 12.5 but less than 17.5. This is where the upper and the lower bound come from. It's always less than the upper one, greater than or equal to the lower one. I hope that makes sense. Basically the answer is 17.5 for this question. Okay, when you're ready, take a look at the challenge question, give that a go. Pop your answers in the comments below. Let's get a bit of a discussion going. Let's get some proper revision going. And don't forget, bit of maths a day keeps the bad grades at bay.